Hey, welcome back. This is Kim. Today I'm going to show you some simple ways to add up rows and columns in Excel. Excel is one of my favorite programs. It's really fun. I know a lot of people are afraid to jump in and try it, but I'm hoping that some of these little tutorials that I'm going to be doing will make it look fun to you and you'll be able to give it a shot. So this is some sales information. These are the salespeople. This is the office that they're in. Here's their sales numbers for various months. I want to know what all of them sold in January. So I'm going to take the data for every salesperson, and this is where I want the total right here, so I leave that blank. You go up here to autosum, and Excel adds it for you. Let's do the same thing for February. Leave that blank, autosum. Leave that blank, autosum. You can also write a formula. And I know this is scary to some of you, but if you click on the total box here, you'll see what the formula looks like. So this box equals the sum of cell E2 through E17. Each cell has a unique number and letter combination. So this is E2, E3, E4, E5, E6, E7, E8. So if you highlight them, it'll give the number over on the left here for you. E9, E13. So this box is the sum of everything added up in E2 through E17. So if we wanted to make our own formula, we could do it. So you type it in here. It starts with equals. So this box equals sum, because we want the sum. And you put a parentheses. And you can either type it in, F2, or you can highlight them all. And then press enter. So there you go. F2 through F17. This is E2 through E17. This is D2 through D17. Another cool thing you can do is if you see this little nodule right here, I think it's called a node. If you click that and move it over, it'll automatically take whatever formula is in there and apply it to the next two. And let's see if it did it right. Okay, H, yep, H2 to H17. G2 through G17. So it's pretty fun. So let's do some more. We want to add a cross. We can use the same process we did here, but here's a really cool feature of Excel. Because I've made this into a table, whatever formula I use here, it's going to use on all of them. So equals sum parentheses of January to June. So it's going to automatically do this. We press enter. It automatically added them all across for us, which is awesome. But let's say we only want to know the first quarter. So equals sum parentheses. The first quarter is January, February, March. See what it did? January to March. And it did that for all of those. Let's do the second quarter here. Equals sum. And then we're going to do April, May, June. So April through June. Enter. So that's kind of a really great time saver. Okay. So here, let's say we want to know all the reps in Idaho, how they did. So we're going to do equals sum. Now we just want the Idaho, right? And we only want January, so we want this group here. Enter. And now we want SoCal. So we're going to do equals sum. And here's all the ones in SoCal. There. Now we're going to do Texas. Equals sum, parentheses, and then the numbers for Texas. And there we go. So now we can drag our formula across. And that will update all these totals. Drag, by using this little node, just dragging it across. And then we'll drag it all the way across. There we go. So that's, if you added these three together, it would be this number. If you added these three together, it would be this number. It's a really kind of fun thing to do. You could just play with it in all different ways. Use some of the automated stuff like the autosum, or try to write the formulas yourself. Just remember there has to be this box equals sum, open parentheses, and then type in the cell numbers. Let's say I'm just going to make one up, E6 through E16. Let's try that. And that's E6 through E16. So that's here through here. That was the data that I did. So March for those people. And you just press delete if you don't want it. So anyways, it's fun. I hope you learned something. I know I kind of went through it fast. I'll probably go through this again later, but I just wanted to show you how fun Excel can be and useful. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like this video and subscribe so you can find me again, and I'll see you again next time.